I'm going to give you an illustrative example from the Cricket Club, which is in North Miami Beach and has amazing views to Biscayne Bay and all that, but it is an older building and it was a building that was neglected. Following the 2021 Surfside collapse, Florida is requiring stricter safety standards and more frequent inspections. The Cricket Club's condo board recently proposed a nearly $30 million special assessment for repairs like roof replacement and facade waterproofing, coming to more than $134,000 per unit owner. Some owners, like someone whose name is not going to be mentioned, who liquidated a 401k to purchase the unit, can't afford these extra fees. The Wall Street Journal reported condo inventory for sale in Florida has more than doubled since the first quarter of 2023 to more than 18,000 units today due to either rising insurance costs, which will be a discussion later on, or repair fees for older buildings that aren't passing the inspections. The Wall Street Journal projects that this is just the beginning and the bloodbath is just about to commence. So even though I have a couple of listings that are on the market, sellers are finding very few takers. This gentleman that we just were talking about listed his unit originally for $350,000, but was forced to keep marking it down until it finally sold for $110,000, 42% less than what he paid for it. I mean, that's an excessive example, but this is what's going on. So I encourage all my sellers in the older condo market to actually listen to your realtor, because we do know the state of the market. We know what's happening. If you don't have to sell right now, kudos to you, because that's great. And if you're looking to buy, now is the time, because we can negotiate that assessment. Everything now is probably in the budgets for next year, so you kind of know what to expect. And in another couple years, the market is going to see a significant increase in the price of condos, because we will have all the we'll have the whole thing mapped out, and we'll understand what the future is going to bring. Donna Zalter, Compass Realtor. I have more on this topic. Stay tuned.